In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Monster Hunter Wilds beta PC crashing issue on Steam. We're going to focus on the most common causes of crashes during a beta: outdated graphics drivers, missing Windows updates, file corruption, overlays interfering, and permission or compatibility conflicts. Follow along and take your time. I'll explain each action so you know exactly why it helps. Start by updating your graphics drivers and Windows. Head to the official NVIDIA or AMD website, download the latest driver for your GPU, and run the installer. When the install finishes, restart your PC if prompted. Next, open Windows Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Check for updates. Install everything offered, including optional driver and .NET updates if they're available, then reboot if needed. Keeping both your GPU drivers and Windows current is critical for beta stability. Now let's cleanly restart Steam and run it with elevated permissions. Fully exit Steam by clicking Steam in the top left and choosing Exit, and make sure it's not still running in the system tray. Then right-click your Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This helps with file access and updates that can fail silently without admin rights. With Steam open, verify the game files. In your library, right-click Monster Hunter Wilds, choose Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Let Steam compare and repair anything missing or corrupted. When it finishes, if you're using the Steam beta client, disable the Steam in-game overlay for this title. You can do that from the game's properties under General by turning off the overlay toggle, or in Steam's settings under In-game. Next, go to the game's install folder and make a quick backup of two crash report files, crashreport.exe and crashreport.dll.dll. Copy them to a safe spot outside the game directory, then delete the originals from the game folder. These reporters can sometimes get stuck in a loop during beta builds, and removing them after backing up can prevent repeated crash triggers. Finally, run the game executable directly as an administrator. In the install folder, right-click Monster Hunter Wilds exe and choose Run as Administrator. While you're there, open Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and make sure Compatibility mode is turned off. Do the same for Steam.exe, open its properties and ensure no compatibility mode is enabled. Compatibility layers can cause unexpected crashes in newer games. After completing these steps, launch the game from Steam. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.